Today we're going to take a little bit of cherry, a little bit of poplar, and we're going to make something that everybody needs in their bathroom. Come with me to the workshop. There's my stud. That ain't coming off. Alright, I'm going to put it a little bit above, unlevel, so when I screw my holes that are drilled at an angle, it's going to pull the frame down. So just like that. Good deal. Well, there you go. This is what everybody needs. More storage in the bathroom. It's been 3 days now, and this thing is full of towels already. But it works great. There's a little tension with the bolt. I tightened it up, so I was happy with the tension. All you had to do was put the bar that runs through here just at the bottom of that baseboard that is screwed to the wall. Other than that, you can have those holes drilled just about anywhere in that board as long as they're all in relatively the same spot. You could have drilled that hole up here and just put it down here. Then you could make some sort of design, I guess, out of the top, as long as that bar is even with this on the bottom. So as long as you do that, these 45s will hit that wall perfectly just about every time. It might not be a 45 if you cut this is longer here, but you kind of get the idea. As long as you can make them flat here, put a thicker board back there and you don't have to do it. But there you go. You got more storage in the bathroom where you need it for towels. I mean, I got 3 boys. We're going to cut down on some laundry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share with somebody. Please. It'd help me out greatly.